anya rẹ̀ lọ gbòdò ọwé ní à wọ́n lè yà sí ìyàn lélẹ́bí ulélẹ́bí náà fi ìyàwó ti fà á. Ààrẹ fi ọba ní lóbi ọba rẹ̀ kí ẹ náà mú eré ààrẹ kọfù. Kí ẹ rí eré ààrẹ òmùgbí kí ẹ náà ààrẹ òmùgbí láti ọba yóò wà náà. Ebe kele owó yẹn yẹ dùn. Ẹ̀yìn àwọn kútó kọ́ ọ̀nà. Wọ́n lọ bọ́ o. Esperado de Moau et nos permettons de parler. Nous bien mariés par YouTube.
Agogo! Secretary to the Edo Women's Vanguard. Edo Women's Vanguard is a proud, a group that is projecting and protecting the culture of Edo women. Now we are in court uniting with our Oba. It's the father of us all. Edo State, Benin is a special one in it. So nobody toy with our Oba. As women, there was the time we have a mother we call Iyesige. These are the duplication of the heritage of a mother Esige. Women here, they are women of Timber and Caliber. And we are here to stand with our Oba till the end of this matter. And we are decreeing in the name of the Lord Jesus that those that are perpetrating and destroying and disrespecting our honor will not go free. That is why Edo Women's Vanguard are out. We celebrate more than we celebrate womenhood. But today, we are out as a warrior. The warrior that we have then, we are out as Mother Iyesige to see that at the end of the day, God will come to his seat, kneel and tell us, except we are not apologize, but if not, we are ready.
Your name again, man.
Princess Bola.
Thank you very much. Your name, sir? Just throw more light on the event.
Okay, the reason why we are here is just so that to our river throne and the entire Benin Kingdom. So we are the defender, subject of the throne. That's the reason why we are here. Just few weeks ago, we had that some suspended illegal the entire Benin Kingdom to God. So that's why we are here. We are here to defend what is stated on paper. Get the word that yes, we are doing that.
Your name again, sir?
My name is Osaro Nomiyamu.
Lẹ́nu ọ̀yà dọ̀lẹ̀ tó ti lẹ́nu ọ̀yà dọ̀lẹ̀ bọ́ọ̀dì. Ẹ̀yìn ẹ̀ owó. Ìwé ní àná àbẹ̀jì àná ìwé náà máa ń lọ kékeré ní ẹ̀jẹ̀ àná this time wey put match in yẹn match yẹ ẹ̀yìn àti. Because ìwé ní àná máa mú ẹ. As far as yẹn match yẹn àti lòdò they are dead already. So ẹ̀kọ́ fẹ́ràn ní àyà mi. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ àyà mi yẹn mi. Ẹ̀jọ̀ máa bá yàn. Ẹgbẹ́ àgbẹ̀ àìlérú ìjọba. Ẹgbẹ́ àgbẹ̀ ọba àgbọ̀ mẹ́rù gbèmọ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni mú aya mà, bẹ́ẹ̀ni lè pé aya ọ̀fẹ́ wọn. Ìwé náà ni ọmú ìyẹ̀wò ni o. Ìwé náà ni a máa ń yẹ. So ebi àná gbígbẹ́ àwọn tí aya bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọba. Bí a kì í ṣàkóso náà pé kí a. Àwọn ọgbẹ́ bá ti àdúgbò tọ̀. Bí a kì í bí ọba, ọbí ọba wọ̀ ọ́ sì ń bú.
History of Benin. We have respect. This is Benin. We need it to this. God will not forget from you.
Sweet Governor, sir. Good morning. Tell us few reasons why you are here today.
We are here in respect of the case between Baba Seki versus the Benin. Baba Seki took the palace to court. You know, that palace is comprises of the entire Benin. So that's the reason why we are here today. And it's so unfortunate. Nobody is discussing about the case, and I think they are waiting for adjournment. So it's so sad for somebody we call our son to take our father to the court. It's in the Bible. It says, honor your father and mother, so that your days will be long. And what we are seeing in the case today is a different ballgame. And this is our father, for God's sake, is the monarch. Is the respect that we the Benin has. Is the God of our land. You know, and Benin is not just Benin, it's not just Edo State. Benin Kingdom comprises of a Niger. So this is so sad that today we are in court with the palace. It's very sad. It's very sad and it's so bad. I think with the Benin, we should not fold our hand for them to humiliate the palace and the entire Benin, because that's the entire Benin. If we the Benin fold our hands, it will look so bad that one man has become a lion and a tiger, as they say. So please, I want to urge the Benin, please, let all hands be on deck. We should not allow this man to humiliate the palace. This is my advice. Oba Atokbere.
Your name again, sir?
Yeah.
Your name again?
My name is Comrade Tony Kabaka.
Thank you very much.
God bless you.
Yes. Sorry. Yeah.
Let me push you down. Go and chop off. Then I can push people. Barista. Okay. What do you know? Abeg, stay here. Stay here. You will come out, please. Come out. Don't worry. Don't worry. Hey, Yani. Ageja.
Wait.